we will write and learn words of sound U. Earlier we write UN un, BUN bun, SUN sun, GUN gun, RUN run, FUN fun, NUN none. Now we will write UT ut. If we add H with UT ut, it will become HUT hut. If we add C with UT ut, it will become CUT cut. In the same way, BUT but, NUT nut. Thank you. Have a nice day.